अहम खबर के साथ। अमेरिकी सदर ने ईरान में रिजीम चेंज को सबसे बड़ा और बेहतर ऑप्शन करार दे दिया। उन्होंने मीडिया से गुफ्तगू में बावर कराया कि तेहरान के साथ मुज़ाकरात जारी हैं और मशरिक़ वस्ता में अपनी फ़ौजी कुव्वत भी बढ़ा रहे हैं। ईरान की जानिब से यूरेनियम अफजूदगी हरगिज़ कबूल नहीं। ईरान अब तक बातें करता आया है, अपने वादों पर अमली इक़दामात नहीं किए।
Give us the deal that they should have given us the first time. If they give us the right deal, we won't do that. But, historically, they haven't done that. I will say they want to talk, but so far they do a lot of talking and no action.
When are those talks, Mr. President? When are those talks?
They've already started.
Do you want regime change in Iran?
Well, it seems like that would be the best thing that could happen. For 47 years, they've been talking and talking and talking. In the meantime, we have tremendous power has arrived. And additional power, as you know, another carrier is going out shortly. We don't want any enrichment.